rest of my life. I'll be with you, I'll stay by your side. Deep in my heart, I feel so blessed when I think of you.